Ubah poleng do ubalong ru working president keseng UDP ulaong ba amdan kanu kejeng perwa halor kejeng sapriang ki hamsaya ba ansa syaweng no ko bu menteri ke sarkar jela hadien ke election ha soyong constituency. Ulaong bagi beliau kila ban keren bunjat Henry un Syakri na kebentak bahak kamiat jong jela badudai ubreu ubam ju perwa AA ya kejeng bena hamsaya. Nalor kani ubak poleng do ulakan tadru kejeng sapriang ki kubor bahkan don kejeng kala hakasan himasima kamtam hapreng kejeng adai ke UDP bat ke NPP. Hadien beladak penbenai ke result jong ke election hasoyong. Habajubab ikani ubak poleng do ulong badai tang ubreu ubakaran ikani unlong ubak biang tam hiru ban ai kejubab. Halor kejeng keli lah ke NPP kala kro ke UDP ban peneso no batka ubak poleng do rujubab dek boong bakam syunadan ARUM badulong babon kila ban keren bonjat ikiran san yalap election kamtam ha baki election kalong tang hakawi ke constituency balada dan arpangut kinong keren hakawi keren san kumta kin keren bed dakum ni kumtai.
Well, he's the best person to comment again and again, but as I indicated the other day, the verdict of 2023 has to be respected. That verdict gave NPP 26 constituencies, which is why they could not form a government on their own. That same verdict gave the UDP 11 seats, and it's a verdict. When you analyze the election results, you have to analyze it sector-wise. So the Garo sector voted mainly in favor of the NPP, and the Khasi Jaintia sector voted mainly for a regional party called the UDP with 11 seats. So when you combine the two sectors, then only MDA 2 came into existence.